In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow API. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Webflow's website. If you aren't familiar with Webflow, it's a visual website builder that enables you to create custom websites in a very intuitive way without having to write a single line of code. Now, once you're on their site, if you haven't already signed up, you'll need to do so. You can quickly sign in using your Google account, which simplifies the process quite a bit. After you've signed in, select your profile or the account under which you wish to operate. Webflow allows multiple workspaces, so make sure you're working under the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Next, find the site you want to work with from your dashboard. Webflow organizes your projects neatly, so it should be straightforward to locate. Once you've identified the right project, look for the three dots that represent the More Options menu of your site. Clicking on this will bring up a context menu with several options. Proceed by selecting Settings from this menu. This will take you to a comprehensive settings panel for your site, where you can adjust various parameters to suit your needs and preferences. Now, for the part we're here for. On the settings page, navigate your way to the Apps and Integrations section. This section is crucial, as it's where Webflow allows you to extend the capabilities of your site beyond the standard offerings, through integrations with other services and tools, including the Webflow API. Inside Apps and Integrations, you'll find an option to Generate API Token. This is your key to the Webflow API, offering you programmatic access to control and manage your Webflow site in ways the UI might not allow. When you click on Generate API Token, you'll be prompted to name your token. This is important for keeping track of your tokens, especially if you will be generating more than one. Give it a memorable name that clearly indicates its purpose or the project it's associated with. Once you've named your token, go ahead and click Generate Token. Webflow will then present you with a unique token, which is essentially a password to access the Webflow API for your site. Make sure you copy this token by clicking the copy button provided, but do it carefully. Once you leave this page or close the dialog, you won't be able to see the token again. So after copying, Webflow will urge you to hide token forever. This is a security measure. Like any password, if someone else gets access to your token, they could potentially control your site through the API. Hiding the token makes sure it's safe, and since you've already copied it, you can now safely store it somewhere secure. And with that, you've just taken the first major step towards harnessing the power of the Webflow API. With your token in hand, you're ready to dive into the technical details of API requests, allowing for custom developments, integrations, and automations that can take your Webflow site to the next level. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure to use your API token wisely and keep it secure. Happy coding, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Webflow projects.